Amanda Manku, a talented South African actress known for her role on Skeem Saam, is reeling from a devastating tragedy. Her mother and grandmother were brutally murdered in an alleged hit orchestrated by her own father, William Manku. The shocking allegations have set shockwaves through the entertainment industry and beyond. According to authorities, the murders were carried out under suspicious circumstances, and police are investigating William Manku's involvement. The case has sparked widespread outrage and sympathy for Amanda, with friends, colleagues, and fans offering condolences and support on social media. One follower wrote, "This is heartbreaking. No one should endure such a betrayal from within their own family. The investigation is ongoing, with police gathering evidence and interviewing witnesses. If convicted, William Manku could face life imprisonment." The tragedy highlights the darker side of family conflicts and the importance of support structures for victims of domestic violence. Amanda's story has sparked conversation about the need for timely intervention and protection for vulnerable individuals. Our thoughts are with Amanda and her family during this incredibly tough time.